of governments where people elect their representatives within their area, and also they are a part of governance in part of administrative governance in that particular mm, area. Here, children in Panchayat Raj system is a three-tier structure. It is Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and Jilla Parishad at the district level. And when it comes to Panchayat, panch, we Panchayat is again divided into three. That is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, and Nyay Panchayat. Okay, children, I'm repeating it again. It is Gram Panchayat at the village level, and the block level, block Samiti at the block level, and Zilla Parishad at the district level. In Panchayat, we again divide it into three. That is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, and Nyay Panchayat. Children, Gram Sabha, here meeting of all the adults who live in an area covered by a panchayat. You can simply understand, children, it is people in a ward or people living in a village. Okay, Gram Sabha, and this Sabha is where all the people in that particular area have a meeting. They organize a meeting and they meet twice a year. Meeting headed, and this meeting is headed by the panchayat, a panchayat president who is called as sarpanch. Other members called panch. They're apart from sarpanch, who is elected by the members of that gram sabha, and also some other five people are also elected as the representatives, and they are called as panch because they are five. Panch means five children in Hindi. And election of Panch. How are these five representatives elected? Village is divided into wards. Now each village is divided into different wards. I think you have also heard in your areas like ward members, representatives for the wards, and all that, right? So each representatives of ward is known as ward member, and he is the member of the panchayat. All members of Gram Sabha elect a Sarpanch. Sarpanch plus Panch is equal to Gram Panchayat. Children, here Sarpanch plus Panch is equal to Gram Panchayat. And the duration of this Gram Panchayat is 5 years. I'll just show you a small example. Gram Panchayat. Can you see here, children? B is Gram Panchayat. Okay. And Gram Sabha is all this. All the areas, all some more than 5 to 6 villages together. They form Gram Sabha in each area. And all this which comes under together one area which comes under Gram Panchayat. Okay, it is a center of self governance at the village level. It ensures direct and participating democracy. What are the functions of Gram Panchayat? Taking care of health and sanitation of the village. Now, why are these members elected? And nowhere state government or central government or representatives which we elect for the state government or central government, they doesn't work here. They doesn't work here, or they are concerned about the problems in the local self government. Here, people of that particular area, they elect their representatives. Okay, and what are the functions of Gram Panchayat? What are the functions of the elected members? What is that their duties and responsibilities towards the areas or the villages or the wards, and for what is that their responsibility for the benefit of the people? Taking care of health and sanitation of the village, providing pure water for drinking, providing drainage and street light, road construction, housing, establishing khadi and village industries, providing elementary education, maintenance of such records relating to cattle census, population, crop, and census of unemployed person. Now, children, can you see here? All these, this is a village, this is a village, this is a village, this is a village. Now, all these members in this village, people at this level, they have a Gram Sabha. Okay, Gram Sabha. In this, they select a ward member. They select a ward member, and all these five become the punch. Okay, and they from these villages they elect one Gram Sarpanch. Okay, who is called as the head of the Gram Panchayat. Now, Gram Panchayat. And what is the composition, election, and term of Gram Panchayat? The members of Gram Panchayat are elected by Gram Sabha. Now, composition Sarpach or Pradhan, President and Vice President of the Gram Sabha are ex officio. Ex officio members of Gram Panchayat. They are assisted by 5 to 31 Panchayat members. Children, here, ex officio members are the members who have already, after completing the 5 years, they are nowhere a member of Gram Panchayat, but still they are also directly or indirectly are members of Gram Panchayat. And the term of years, the term for these Gram Panchayat, the elected representatives, is 5 years. Now, the state government is no way concerned with this, and the central government. No way concerned is it is indirectly it gives some revenue, but it is the local self government which has to produce or make its own revenue for make its own money for working on the development of their villages and to solve the problems which are happening in that area. And where is the revenue comes from? What are the sources of revenue for these areas? It is internal or own source revenue. That is own source revenue. They should create their own source of revenue. That is from taxes on land and property, non-taxes rents and user fees. Okay, and external is where grants and loans which are given by the government, state government and central government. And apart from that, assigned revenue like tolls, taxes, duties. If some part of this share also comes to this gram panchayat. Now, we have learnt about Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, Gram Sabha, all together 5 to 6 villages makes Gram Panchayat. Okay. Now, Nyay Panchayat. It is formed in some villages elected by Gram Panchayat. Not all villages, children. Please underline this. What is the main function of this Nyay Panchayat? It settles disputes in cheap and speedy way, solves petty civil and criminal cases, and allowed to impose small fines. Children here, if there is any family issues or any fightings between two people about the about some property or something else like that, then they will